Hi, Kevin. This is Kim, your tutor. This is going to be the last story for this year for us. So I thought that since today is the last day of school and when you start summer break tomorrow, that I would read a story called Summer in the City. Okay? Jason sat on his front steps. Alex sat beside him. I'm hot, said Alex. Me too, said Jason. Jason stared at the cracks in the sidewalk. Something moved. Hey, look, Jason said as he ran down the steps. A trickle of water flowed down the sidewalk. Where did it come from? Said Alex. I don't know, said Jason. Let's find out. Jason followed the trickle. Alex followed Jason. They passed the fruit shop and the shoe shop. The trickle grew wider. They passed the basketball court. There are two trickles, Jason said. He put a finger in the water. It was cool. There are more than two, Alex pointed at the street ahead. More trickles came toward them. Jason and Alex walked faster. They passed the bike shop and the bread shop. The water came faster and faster. The boys took off their shoes. They ran through the cool water. Where's it coming from? Alex said. Look, Jason said. The water ran over their feet. They raced to the end of the street. A fire hydrant was open. Oh my, look at all the kids. Water sprayed everywhere. Kids played in the spray. Jason and Alex did too. Hey, Alex. Jason looked at his dripping friend. Are you still hot? That was funny. All right. So these questions are, when does this story take place? Yes, that's right. In the summer. What do Alex and Jason pass first? I can't remember. Can you? I think that's right. Where is the water coming from? The hydrant. That's right. And where does the story begin? That's good. Good. That's right. Very good. Well, I hope you have a fun summer and you get to play in the water. And I'm very sorry that we didn't get to meet each other this year at a party, which we had planned. But I hope that you enjoyed our tutoring and that you get to read a whole lot in the summer. And I thought you did a really, really good job. You have a fun time this summer. Hopefully we'll see you next year. Bye-bye.